Hi, this is Rock, and we're finally getting to exploring Randbetween, the function I've been using as I've been creating data sets and other things for the examples you've been seeing. Let's take a look and see what's under the covers here. If we say Randbetween, this will generate a random number between two numbers. You need to put in integers here, not partial numbers. If I say 0 and 1000, it'll generate a number, and it's also what's called a volatile function, meaning every time Excel recalculates, which is anytime you hit enter after working in a cell or tab to get out of a cell, Excel recalculates if you have the automatic calculation turned on. Let me hit this and it generates 902. If I go into it again and hit it again, it's 908. If I hit enter again anywhere, it's regenerating it every time. That's going to affect how you use this. When you're just putting together a series of random numbers like I do sometimes, every time you hit enter, that's going to regenerate all of those. So what I tend to do is copy those and then paste the values, and then they are static and they don't change. I'm going to undo that though, because we're talking about how this rand function works. One of the things that I like to do, and you may have seen me do, is be able to use a reference. So I can say, here's my bottom number, here's my top number, and now I'm going to have a random number between those two. This one, I use references as the arguments, which is very helpful. As you've seen before, I've done that with dates, 1/1 of 2006 and 1/1 of 2026. I can create a random date generator between these two dates. And if I format that cell to be a date format, then this number is going to continue to generate. And that is pretty much Randbetween. Next, we'll be looking at VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP. See you then.